These peekaboo toes. You gonna go to sleep there under that blanket that Grandma made for you? Isn't that a comfortable blanket? Yeah. Oh, you snoring? Yeah, you put that blanket all the way over your foot so you can't see it. You trying to snore? You trying to pretend you're asleep?
Mommy nap.
Mommy nap too? Okay. Okay, Mommy will nap. You're a noisy sleeper, Alexis.